So try to be nice to people. I mean, even if they are rude and like, you know, you smile at them and say, hey, how's it going? And they just like glare at you like, who the heck are you to say hi to me? Don't say hi to me. I don't freaking know you like that. Just kind of smile and be like, see you later. Hope you have a good day. And you know, some people will probably think, yeah, the Q&A. I don't have enough questions, so people, put your questions down, whatever you want. I mean, something that is kind of relevant to the channel, it would be, I would prefer that. I mean, something that I can answer and ask questions, like, be nice, don't be rude. You know, you could be smart ass, I mean, that's cool, but don't be mean. Don't be rude. Don't, you know, I don't know. No, I am not a transvestite. I don't know what to call them, because every time you call them something, they get mad at you. So I am not a transvestite. I don't look like one. I just have really sexy, and look, I don't have an Adam's apple, and my tattoo is shitty. I'm sorry, I didn't do it. The person that did it, you're telling the person that they did a shitty job, and it's a cover-up. But see, I don't have, can you see? I don't have an Adam's apple. Like, I don't have an Adam's apple. I don't have one. But you know, yeah. I guess everybody has their haters, and I just have to be more thick-skinned because I don't know. I'm just so nice to people, and I like people to be nice to me too. And it's annoying that people have to be so freaking rude. And they're rude. And they're rude for no reason. Or they're rude because somebody said something. Or they're rude because everybody else is being rude to this person. So we might as well jump in on the bandwagon and be rude to this person too. Like, I just never have ever been a person like that. Like, I'm always that person, like, when people are being mean to somebody and they're like gaining up on them, I'm that person that's always like, hey, why are we being mean to this person? Why are you being mean? Why are you saying these things? Why? What did they do to deserve that? And usually, they never have a reason. They always say, I don't know. And it's like, then why? Why are you picking? Why? Like, that don't make any sense to me. Like, people are just mean. They are so mean. I don't understand why. Stop being mean. We need more love in this world. We need to love one another and not hate one another. We have enough hate in the world as it is. So guys, come on, let's love one another and smile. And just today, when you see somebody, smile at them. Say hi, how are you? Have a good day. Oh wow, you look nice today. You know, even if they look like they're gonna be don't talk to me. Just still do it, because later on down the road, they're gonna be like, wow, somebody said hi and they were actually nice and they said they liked my shoes and my shirt. That's kind of cool. And that's gonna like give them a boost, you know, some point in the day, like maybe that day or the next day, like they're gonna feel really good. You know, we have enough hate, we have enough depression, we have enough of this stuff, and we don't need to add to other people's depression or their anxiety. You know, we don't need to create more problems for other people. And not only are you creating problems for the people that you're saying this stuff to, but you're actually putting those bad things in on you too. Like, your words are energy, and energy creates good or bad things. So be careful what you say to people. You need to be nice, whether you want to be nice or not, whether you like the person or not. Just be nice. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please hit that subscribe button. Don't tip, if you're a mom and a dad,